Ever wonder why your skincare routine isn't giving you the glowing results you want? Could you be making some common skincare mistakes? Well, you're not alone. Many of us unknowingly make blunders in our quest for perfect skin. Today, we're going to shed some light on 9 of the most common skincare mistakes people often make. From over-exfoliating to forgetting sunscreen, these missteps can sabotage your skin health. Stay tuned to discover these common errors and find out how you can correct them. So let's dive in and expose these skincare blunders. First on our list is over-exfoliating your skin. Yes, we all love that fresh, glowing look, but scrubbing too hard and too often can actually damage your skin and strip it of its natural oils. Moderation is key, folks. Next, we have the cardinal sin of skincare: not using sunscreen every day. Rain or shine, winter or summer, indoors or outdoors, those harmful UV rays are always lurking. Don't give them a chance to wreak havoc on your skin. Thirdly, using the wrong products for your skin type. Now this is a tricky one. With so many products on the market, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But remember, what works for your best friend might not work for you. It's important to understand your skin type and choose products accordingly. Fourth, not washing your face before bed. After a long day, it can be tempting to hit the hay without a proper cleanse. But leaving makeup and the day's grime on your skin can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. So make sure to wash away the day before you catch your Z's. At number 5, we have using too many products at once. While it's great to be enthusiastic about skincare, layering too many products can confuse your skin and even lead to irritation. Stick to a few key products that work for you. Sixth, not changing your pillowcases frequently. Your pillowcase is a breeding ground for bacteria and dead skin cells. Changing it regularly can help prevent breakouts and keep your skin clear. Seventh, ignoring your neck and décolleté in your skincare routine. Remember, skincare isn't just about your face. Your neck and décolleté need love too. Eighth, not drinking enough water. Hydration is key for healthy, radiant skin, so make sure to drink up. Finally, not getting enough sleep. Beauty sleep isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a reality. Your skin repairs and rejuvenates itself while you sleep, so make sure to get those 8 hours in. Now that we've identified these common skincare mistakes, it's time to learn how we can fix them. Fear not, skincare enthusiasts, these mistakes are easily fixable. Let's dive right in. The first skincare mistake we discussed was not cleansing properly. The solution? Double cleanse. Start with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup and sunscreen, and follow it up with a water-based cleanser to remove any residual grime. Next up, over-exfoliating. The fix for this is simple: limit exfoliation to twice a week. This strikes the perfect balance between keeping your skin fresh and not overdoing it. The third mistake was skipping sunscreen. Remember, sunscreen is your best friend, rain or shine. Make it a habit to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day, and your skin will thank you. Mistake number 4 was not moisturizing enough. The answer? Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. A quality moisturizer can work wonders to keep your skin plump and healthy. Fifth, not changing pillowcases often enough. A clean pillowcase is a simple but effective way to reduce breakouts. Aim to change yours at least once a week. The sixth mistake was using the wrong products for your skin type. Take the time to understand your skin type and choose products accordingly. Next, we talked about not drinking enough water. The solution here is straightforward. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day. The 8th mistake was not getting enough sleep. Prioritize your beauty sleep, folks. Your skin does most of its healing while you're snoozing. Finally, the 9th mistake was neglecting your diet. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can do wonders for your skin. And there you have it. Simple solutions to correct common skincare mistakes. So, to recap, we've traversed through 9 skincare pitfalls, from neglecting sunscreen to over-exfoliating and the wrong choice of products. We've also shed light on their solutions, like embracing SPF, moderating exfoliation, and choosing skin-friendly products. Remember, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person may not work for another. But by avoiding these common mistakes, you're on your way to healthier, happier skin. Thanks for watching, and here's to your skin success. Hit the subscribe button and join our skincare community for more expert advice. Share your skincare journey in the comments below, and let's glow together.